The Epson Pro EX11000 is engineered to deliver high-performance projection in both professional and home environments. With its laser-powered 3 LCD technology, this projector stands out for its brilliant color accuracy, incredible brightness, and seamless versatility. Whether it's a boardroom presentation, classroom lesson, or movie night, it's built to handle every scenario with ease. Starting with brightness, the projector boasts 4,600 lumens of color and white brightness, making it capable of producing vivid visuals even in brightly lit rooms. Text, images, and video maintain their clarity and detail without looking washed out. This level of luminance ensures that every slide or video clip stands out, offering a professional-grade visual experience. The 3-chip 3 LCD system guarantees precise and vibrant color reproduction without the distracting rainbow effects seen in some single-chip projectors. Every image is displayed with consistency, accuracy, and depth, giving both creative professionals and casual viewers a reliable viewing experience. The laser light source complements this by providing instant-on functionality, long-term durability, and minimal maintenance. There's no need to worry about changing bulbs, and the projection quality remains consistent over time. Connectivity is where the EX11000 shows real flexibility. Equipped with dual HDMI ports, it accommodates multiple devices simultaneously, from laptops and gaming consoles to streaming sticks. The USB power output allows these devices to operate without requiring a separate power source, and Miracast wireless support enables smooth screen mirroring from smartphones, tablets, or Windows laptops. This makes it incredibly easy to set up a cable-free, clutter-free workspace or entertainment area. Audio is handled by the 16W built-in speaker, delivering clear and loud sound suitable for medium-sized rooms. It's perfect for presentations, small gatherings, or casual movie nights, providing decent audio quality without the need for external speakers. While it's not a full theater-grade system, it does enhance the overall multimedia experience significantly. In day-to-day use, the projector is impressively responsive and reliable. The laser engine ensures stable brightness and color performance during extended sessions. The cooling system operates quietly, allowing for distraction-free presentations or video playback. Whether it's displaying detailed charts for work or streaming high-definition content for entertainment, the EX11000 maintains a smooth, enjoyable performance. The design is minimal yet functional, with portability that allows it to be placed on a table, mounted on a ceiling, or moved between rooms effortlessly. Keystone correction and focus adjustments are intuitive, allowing for quick and precise image alignment. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for professional presentations, educational use, or a versatile home theater setup. One of the most notable features is the accurate color performance. Epson has consistently led in color fidelity, and the EX11000 continues that trend. For designers, photographers, or anyone who values authentic visuals, this projector ensures that what you see on screen reflects reality, making it ideal for both professional and personal use. Overall, the Epson Pro EX11000 combines high brightness, superior color accuracy, and flexible connectivity into a single, powerful projector. Its combination of full HD 1080p resolution, laser technology, and wireless capabilities makes it a reliable choice for anyone seeking a high-quality, low-maintenance projection solution. For anyone searching for a projector that balances performance, reliability, and ease of use, the EX11000 is a compelling option. It's bright enough for large rooms, accurate enough for professional applications, and versatile enough for a wide range of environments. If you want to purchase the Epson Pro EX11000 3-chip 3 LCD Full HD 1080p wireless laser projector, featuring 4,600 lumens, Miracast, dual HDMI ports, USB power for streaming, and a 16W built-in speaker, check out the link in the description below. This projector offers a premium projection experience with minimal hassle.